Welcome to our special coverage of the ongoing Kogi State Electoral Tribunal sitting at the NJI, National Judicial Institute in Abuja. Today marked a significant development as the tribunal resumed after hiatus of over 2 weeks, allowing for the continuation of the adoption of written addresses by all parties involved. The petition before this esteemed tribunal was brought forth by the Social Democratic Party SDP and Alhaji Yakubu Murtala Ajaka of the SDP as petitioners, with the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC, All Progressive Congress APC, and Ahmed Usman Ododo as the first, second, and third respondents, respectively. The petitioners' plea and prayers revolve around several key issues that are central to the case. This includes questioning the competency of the petition presented, the eligibility of the second respondent, Ahmed Usman Ododo, to contest the Kogi State Governorship Election held on November 11, 2023, and whether the election itself was conducted in substantial compliance with the Electoral Act 2022. In a video interview with the lead counsel of the petitioner, Pius A. Akubo, a senior advocate of Nigeria, several crucial questions were raised regarding the November 11, 2023 election in Kogi State and the specific allegation against the second respondent, Ahmed Usman Ododo.
He presented a forged certificate to INEC. Exhibit 306 was tendered as a Form C9, which he forwarded to INEC, and it was evidently clear that that form was an integral part of it, particularly so that he did not disclose which primary and secondary schools he attended. Neither did he produce the police extract of the purported missing certificates anywhere. He did not. Secondly, we believe that if he was not qualified to contest on that score, having not only presented a false certificate as well as false affidavits regarding his age, all votes cast for him are wasted votes under our law.
Among these inquiries are concerns about the adherence to Electoral Act of 2022, the legitimacy of the second respondent's victory based on the vote cast.
There was several instances of overvoting, particularly in Kogi Central, having regard to Okene, Okehi, Adavi, as well as Ajakuta local government and Lokoja local government areas. We called PW1, who came at the instance of the order of the Honorable Tribunal, not only to produce the BVAS machine used for the election, but to open them up and read out the specific record of registered voters as well as accredited voters. We tendered over 500 BVAS machines covering those local government areas. And at least out of that, 505 of the BVAS machines were openly ventilated before the tribunal, each of them showing clear, unequivocal instance of overvoting
and evidence of irregularities during the voting process. Furthermore, there have been conflicting reports circulating about the competency of the petition itself, with some sources suggesting it was filed late, while others claim it was submitted on time.
We have shown overwhelmingly to the tribunal that in point of fact, we filed this petition on 2nd December 2023 within the specified limit of 21 days. Incidentally, even their own witness, ROW9, confirmed it.
Lastly, the petitioner have raised serious allegation of disqualification against the second respondent, Ahmed Usman Ododo.
The foremost evidence in that regard is the presentation of forged affidavit purportedly obtained from High Court of the Federal Capital Territory on 16th April 2023, which happened to be a Sunday. No regular court worked on Sundays. And we show that evidence clearly. We called PW2, PW3, PW24. All of them testified in that support. But the second respondent, who is directly affected, never bothered to come to the tribunal to tell his own side of the story. It is as bad as that.
As the tribunal hearing processes and all parties continue to make their argument, we will closely monitor the developments and provide you with the latest update on these pivotal legal disputes shaping the political landscape in Kogi State. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive coverage. Stay tuned for more news update as the Kogi State Electoral Tribunal saga unfolds. Jimo Michael reporting.